Hello, my dear students. How are you all? I hope all of you had a good vacation and enjoyed a lot. I am Yoshima ma'am once again back with a new video with a new topic. My dear student, do you know what is a pattern? Yes, I know that you know it. What is a pattern? But you need little bit hints to recollect what is a pattern. Don't worry, I will help you out. Pattern, whatever you see around yourself is known as a pattern, correct? There is a certain sequence, shape, color is repeatedly predecidedly followed, correct? For example, like days of the week: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, again it is Sunday. Isn't that it is repeated sequence? Predecided sequence is repeated again and again. Then seasons, like spring, summer, monsoon, autumn, winter, again spring, summer, monsoon, autumn, winter. So what is this? This is a pattern. If you see your dress, different types of patterns are also there. Different types of designs are there, which is repeatedly following. Now I will make you more clear with the next thing. Pattern can be of a shape, color, numbers, alphabet, anything it can be. For example, see here the pattern is there. First cone is there, then another cube is there, then pyramid is there, cylinder. So if you want to follow a sequence, then what you have to do? Again you have to keep cone, cube, pyramid, cylinder. Cone, cube, pyramid and cylinder. This is what a pattern. Pattern is of color, it can be of shape, it can be of alphabet, it can be of designs, group of numbers that repeat themselves in a predictable manner or pre-decided manner. Okay, for example, if you see this design, what is here is also one pattern is followed. What is a pattern? Blue color circle, then green color square, blue color circle, green color square, blue color circle, green color square. Okay, here is also pattern followed. Yellow color square, purple color square, yellow color square, purple color square. Okay, then 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Here is also pattern followed. What pattern is there? I will show you. Here is the addition pattern. 2 plus 2 you will get 4, then 4 plus 2 you will get 6, 6 plus 2 you will get 8, 8 plus 2 you will get 10. Which pattern is followed here? Addition pattern, by adding 2. So pattern you can see of shape, color, okay, different alphabets, number, everything, designs. For example, the first one is a shape: triangle, square, pentagon. Again the same thing, the starting, whatever you start with, the same thing is pre-decided and same thing it get repeated. Then triangle, square, pentagon, again triangle, square, pentagon. What was there at the starting? First there was a triangle, I kept triangle, then I kept square, then I kept pentagon. Again the same thing will get repeat. Here also you can see what is shape and color: triangle, square, pentagon. Here triangle is of green color, blue color, pink color. Then again green, blue, pink. Again green, blue, pink. Okay. Now here is of color and rotation. What is that? Color and rotation: green, orange, blue, pink. Fine. Then next pattern: purple, green, orange, blue. Next pattern: blue, purple, green, orange. Okay, here it is the number pattern: addition of 2, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 2 12, 12 plus 2 14. This is known as the arithmetic sequence. Now numbers by multiplication, like 2 multiplied by 2 you will get 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32. Here also it is a number pattern. Now according to the chapter, I had tried to bifurcate, or I had tried to distinguish the chapter into 3 parts. One into increasing pattern, another into decreasing pattern, and mixed pattern. What is this increasing pattern means? Increasing pattern where we are using the rule of addition or multiplication, where from the number is increasing from small to big. Decreasing pattern, what it means, where the numbers are decreasing from big to small. There we are using the two rules. One is subtraction and division. Mixed pattern, here we are using the mix, subtraction and multiplication, addition or multiplication. I'll make it more clear with example. In increasing pattern, you have to keep that from small to big we are going. First number is small, then slowly it is big. So there two rules are used. One is addition rule and another one is multiplication rule. Okay. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Can you see there is an increase in a number? From 1, 2 is increased, 3, 4, 5. But which rule is used here? Either addition or multiplication. So here the rule is used addition. 1, 2. 1 plus 1, 2 I will get. 2 plus 1, it will be 3. 2 plus 1, it is 3. 3 plus 1, then it will be 4. 4 plus 1, it is 5. 5 plus 1, it is 6. Okay. Which rule is used here? Addition, add by 1. All the numbers to find the next number. As you had learned about the skip counting in your previous class, also in 3rd standard, about pattern, what you are doing, finding the next number. To find the next number, it is very important for you to see the starting number. What is happening in the starting number? See, what is the gap between 1 and 2? That I am able to find that if I want to get 2, it is 1. If I want to get 2, then what I have to do? I have to plus 1. 1 plus 1, 2. Then this same 1 should be repeated continuously and I should get the next number also. And I should able to see that whatever the number I am getting, it is exactly correct. For example, if I add 2 plus 1, then 3. The next number should be correct. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. Correct? For example, here the first number is 5. If I add 5 plus 6, what I will get? 11. Okay? तो ये जो 6 है, 6 को अगेन मुझे 11 के साथ ऐड करना है, तभी जाके 17 मिलना चाहिए. अगर सपोज यू आर नॉट गेटिंग 17, it means your answer is wrong. Whatever you had predicted, it is wrong. So but here it is correct. 11 plus 6, I will get 17. 17 plus 6, 23. 23 plus 6, it is 29. It is all about the predicted and pre-decided things. Correct? You have to see the starting part very carefully. Then multiplication rule. Again the same trick. What is there? You have to see the starting part. 3, 6, 12. See dear, here I can't do the addition. For example, if I am adding 3 plus 3, what it will be? 6. Correct? Okay, I got the second number. Then what I said, with the second number, the same number you have to add. Which number? 6 plus 3, what you will get? 9. But what is the third number here? 12. It means here the addition rule is not followed. I will repeat once again. What you are doing? 3 के साथ 3 ऐड किया तो 6 आया. फिर आपको पैटर्न कर रहे हो तो सेम चीज़ को रिपीट करना है. तो 6 के साथ आप अगर 3 ऐड करेंगे तो आपको क्या मिलना चाहिए? 12 मिलना चाहिए. बट आपका आंसर कितना आएगा? 9. इसका मतलब आप जो सोच रहे हो रूल, दैट इज एब्सोल्युटली रॉन्ग. सो 6 plus 3, here we will not follow the pattern of plus 3. Here we will follow the pattern of multiplication. So 3 multiplied by 2, it will give me 6. 6 multiplied by 2, see, 12. You are understanding what I am doing? Then 12 multiplied by 2, it will give me 24. 24 multiplied by 2, it will give me 48. So this is known as the multiply by 2 rules. Okay. Then here also 5 multiplied by 4, 20. 20 multiplied by 4, 80. 80 multiplied by 4, 320. And 320 multiplied by 4, 1280. Isn't that easy? Just you have to understand the starting part. Okay. 5 multiplied by 4, 20. Then that same thing need to be repeated and your answer should also correct. If you see this all properly, understand this much part properly, then you can find the blank also. Okay. Now we will go with the decreasing pattern. Decreasing means from big to small you have to go. You are trying to decrease. So for decreasing, what we are doing, either subtraction or divide. Okay. So here it is 10, 8, 6, 4, 2. Okay. Which rule we will follow? Subtract by 2. How I got to know that? 10 minus 2, it will give me 8. Again I had seen the starting part only, my dear. Again 8 minus 2 I did to 6. It means I had guessed it correct. I have to do minus only. Again 6 minus 2, if I do 4. 4 minus 2, 2. Okay. Here the divide rule is there. Correct? 243. Here I can't do subtraction. I will explain you why. Okay. 243 minus 81. How much I will get? That you can calculate out. Okay. That much number if you subtract from minus 27. Correct? You should get the next number 9. Okay. Okay. For example, 243 minus 81. Okay, I will get here how much? 162. Now madam, what do you have to do? 162. You have to subtract all the numbers by 162. Correct? If you subtract all the numbers by 162, do you think you will get 27? Do you think? No. It means what we have to do? We have to divide all the numbers. So 243 divide by 3, if you do, you will get 81. Then 81 divided by 3, you will get 27. 27 divided by 3, you will get 9. Okay. Next one is a mixed pattern. Here the two things is mixed. Subtraction and multiplication. See how you to understand subtraction one. First it is increase, then decrease. So immediately you should understand that it is a subtraction. 10 minus 2, 8. Then 8 multiplied by 3, it will give me 24. 24 minus 2, it will give me 22. 22 multiplied by 3, it will give 66. 66 minus 2, it will give you 64. Okay. So here you are doing minus 2 and here you are doing multiply 3. So minus 2 multiply 3. Minus 2 multiply 3. Here addition and multiplication. 7 plus 3, 10. 10 multiplied by 4, 40. And 40 plus 3. So here again plus 3 and multiply by 4. Now we will move with the next thing. Patterns in multiplications, which I had already explained you. I want you to try these questions. Okay. 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. This blanks, you have to guess it out. What is that blank? This blanks, you have to find it out. 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. So what will be the next number here? See, 2 multiplied by 2, 4. 4 multiplied by 2, 8. 8 multiplied by 2, 16. 16 multiplied by 2, 32. Next number 32 multiplied by 2, it will give you 64. So let's check our answer, whether answer is correct. Yes, your answer is correct. So here which pattern you are following? Multiplying by 2. Rule you are using multiplying by 2. Okay. These are the exercise questions which is already done for you. You can see the question, understand it and practice it. These are also the exercise questions. And now few homework exercise questions for you, so you can enjoy and have a fun with these questions, pattern questions. First questions, I will solve one for you, then rest you have to solve. 12, 6, 20, 24, 28. Now which pattern is followed here? Can anyone guess? Yes, I hope now you had understood it. 12 plus 4, it will be 16. 16 plus 4, 20. 20 plus 4, 24. 24 plus 8, 4, 28. 28 plus 4, 32. 32 plus 4, it is 36. Which pattern we are following? What is the rule? Add 4. Add 4. Okay. Now the next one, that is also easy. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. What is happening here? First we will see the starting one. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. 12 plus 3, 15. 15 plus 3, 18. 18 plus 3, 18 plus 3, 21. 21 plus 3, it will be 24. Okay. So what you are doing? Add 3. Now the rest questions you will try by yourself and you can find the rules and answers. Okay, now this is a magical question. What you have to do? Find out A and B so as to make sum equal on each side of this triangle. You have to make this side, and this side, all side equal. For doing this, what you have to do? First understand this side. 2 plus 6 plus 1. How much it is? 9. If the base is 9, then this side should also be 9. So 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 5, 9. So here I will keep 5. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 4, 9. Did you understood? This is also an example of a pattern. 4p, 3q, 2r, 1s. Did you understood what is the pattern? Here the number is going decreasing order, 4, 3, 2, 1, and in alphabetic series it is going P, Q, R, S. This one 80, 40, 20, and then here 80, 40, 20, then here it is divided by 2. 80 divided by 2, you will get 40. 40 divided by 2, you will get 20. 20 divided by 2, you will get 10. Then here 6 3s are 18. 18 3s are. Should I lift 2 questions for you? You will try these 2 questions. Okay. Third and fourth, I want you to try. Third and fourth question you will try. Until that much time, please take care of yourself. Do practice all the questions. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.